Hey, what's up guys? We're still here at the Balcones Wildlife Refuge, and this is the Vista Knoll Trail. It's where seemingly a lot of people go. This is one of the first place from the bottom of this area to the top that you can really get some good views. That's why it's called Vista Knoll. And I think a lot of people just come up to this, do this little, it's just a little loop here, and then they go back down to the first parking lot. This refuge has 3 parking lots, so if you want, you can just go all the way to the top, get out of the car, and then you're at the sunset deck, which is somewhere over there. I guess it probably points that way. I think it points that way, so it's on the other side of that hill.
Sunset.
But right?
That makes sense.
Exactly. Yeah, so we're starting from the bottom, going all the way to the sunset deck, but you don't have to do that. You can start from the bottom and just come here, or you can just drive to the sunset deck. This is in Lago Vista, Texas. Ooh, here's one of the cutouts for the views. You can have like a picnic out here. All the way over there, there's another bench for resting, for views. Lake Travis is all the way over there. And our home is 3 hours that way. The sun like is already like, this is what 5 o'clock looks like in the summer here, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, I reckon I could make at least a short 360 video of this Vista Knoll. A little tough to make long 360 videos, but I want to. Man, I think I want to go buy some banana boat sunscreen just to pretend like it's summer, you know? Like I could just smell that in my brain. You just smell the memory, the fun.
The fun.
That's what we should go get for stocking stuffers.
Sunscreen?
It makes like perfect sense. Today's the solstice. The sun is coming back, guys. Trust me. Invest. Invest in the sun. Look at that little reservoir pond thing. Ooh, you can really see Lake Travis now. You can see like the heat glistening off the water too.
Yeah.
This looks like summer. Looks like there's a bit of smog though.
Farmland does look a
Yeah,
little
there should be more visibility.
hazy.
Like probably a few Teslas on fire over there or something.
Stop.
Guys, it looks cloudy today. I think Musk is mad. Sade! Brought to you by Sade.com/products/hats. Oh, so yeah, you could go. I mean, this is not much of a decision, but you can go on to the right there and right here.
What is this, like a technical?
Like a tiny little loop, yeah. What? And then the area beyond this sign, closed. You know what that means? Nothing. Stuff like this is made so people don't go the wrong way. But I can't see how anybody would go, why they would go that way, really. Pretty clear. There is one other area though where people definitely get mixed up. It's like a mile from here though. know. I was the one who got mixed up. Did it say no bikes?
Yes. At the front,
Yeah.
it did. No, nothing.
It's just literally just you walk.
No dogs.
Didn't say no drones.
No camping, no.
I don't think it said that. I wouldn't be surprised if it did though. No alcohol, no dogs, no boats. Don't know why we need to say that, but no boats.
No alcohol.
No paragliders.
Jogger.
Hmm?
Jogger.
No. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks. He probably made it to the top.
Yeah.
They're close.
He's running all over the place.
I don't know though, because we're gonna go further, I think. I mean, like, because I was saying you can come back the other way. So,
Yeah.
I mean, they didn't do that. So I don't know. Or I guess he could have run up the other way, come down this way, did this loop.
There's a little bit of fall colors. I was just looking at them.
Mm-hmm. I was gonna note, like, there was a turn back there where it became more fall momentarily.
Yeah, that one tree.
Yeah, it like was dumping out everywhere.
All the leaves, yeah.
All right, well, there you have it, folks. There's your Vista Knoll Trail at the Balcones Wildlife Refuge in Lago Vista, Texas. Unless we're in Leander now or something. We're at Lago Vista, basically. I'll show y'all more when we get to the sunset deck.